Our Father who art in heaven.
What is wrong with this phone now? Trying to just chat with my friends this morning is not even going.
Sorry, yo.
What happened? Who's going to help me to fix this phone now?
Fine girl.
Thank you, bros. Please, I want to see. This is my phone. I've been trying to fix it this morning. I don't know what's wrong with the phone. Please, can you help me out?
Your phone
please?
don't work.
I don't know.
Wow, all this kind of fake phone safe. Eh? Wait, no, we are talking yesterday.
Not me, please.
When you no agree?
Sorry, yo.
How long more you don't fair broke nigga all day?
Leave out.
I need to fix the phone. Just give me my phone.
Just take and I know help you do am.
Wow. Seriously, thank you.
Bele.
The Lord will reward you. Thank you very much.
Bele.
Phone badge. Oh, this guy scammed me. No, he will repair the phone for me.
Sorry, yo.
Phone so ni pe baje. O ti fọ́ fún mi wèrè.
Zazo.